And then welcome to the channel. Let's dig into the garden. So I was very late putting up the organza bags on the lilies because I had to get rid of all of my garlics, and I was able to plant 2 licorice and the daffodil, and you can see that there are still some bulbs, but I don't really care anymore. I still have to put up a lot of organza bags. My imported bags are stuck in customs, so I don't know what's going to happen. I disbutted most of my alliums, and I rototilled where I don't have any plants. So the only flowering allium is now only lavender bubbles and tuberosum, and I also should go and harvest the bulbils of some lilies, because if a lily is not able to flower, it usually makes a lot of bulbils. And you can see here, this is blackstone. No, it's Scooby-Doo. And I had my pink color flowered, but it's finished now, and I applied nematodes, beneficial nematodes, to kill the slugs, because I had a lot of slugs, but I'm not sure if it was effective, and we still have a mole, and yeah, it's just not great. But I have my mimosa in flower, so it looks like a little fireworks, and we can test if it's going to close, and it of course closes. That's why it's a mimosa. So you can see that it closes readily. But after a while it gets boring. I have my meadow saffrons in flower, and of course the cannas. And I have this double Hosta Plantaginea. It has double flowers, but the flowers are not opening up because there were a lot of stink bugs, invasive stink bugs on them, so they turn brown and dry up like paper. And you can see there's a stink bug larvae sucking. There is still a nice gloriosa flower, the greenie, and maybe this time we'll put up 1 or 2 flowers, I don't know. The orientals look horrible because of the heat and the water. We had rain and very warm temperatures in September, so only the canna looks okay. Oh, I have a couple of praying mantises, but they're always hiding somewhere. I usually see them when I water the plants, so, or foliar feeding them. Okay, so that would be all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.